In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prove head of household to the IRS. By the end, you'll know exactly what to gather, what to enter in TurboTax, and how to keep everything organized so you're ready if the IRS asks for proof. First, let's ground ourselves in what head of household means. To qualify, you generally need to be unmarried or considered unmarried for the year. You must have paid more than half the cost of maintaining your home, and you must have a qualifying dependent who lived with you for more than half the year. Keep these 3 ideas in mind as your roadmap. The rest of the process is about documenting each one. Start by collecting records that show you maintained the household. Think rent or mortgage statements, utility bills, property tax records, and grocery receipts. Aim for a full-year picture with dates and amounts that clearly demonstrate you covered more than half of the home's costs. Keep everything together and, if possible, label or annotate items so it's easy to see what each record proves. Next, build your dependent file. You want documents that confirm your dependent lived with you for more than half the year. School records, medical records, official mail, or lease agreements are all useful. Make sure the documents show the dependent's name and your address, and that the dates collectively cover at least half the year. If you moved, include records for each address to show continuous residency with you. Now verify the relationship between you and the dependent. Gather a birth certificate, adoption records, or court documents as applicable. Copies are fine for your files. Keep originals safe and avoid mailing them unless specifically requested. When you're ready to file, open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online and sign into your account. If you haven't started your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin a new return. During the Personal Info section, select Head of Household as your filing status. TurboTax will guide you with simple questions to confirm eligibility based on your living situation, household costs, and dependent details. Enter your dependent's information carefully. You'll provide their name, social security number, relationship to you, and residency details. Make sure this matches your documents and that residency answers reflect the more than half the year requirement. Before filing, review everything thoroughly. Double-check that your filing status, dependent data, and all entries align with your records. Finally, store all supporting documents safely. Keep them accessible for at least a few years in case the IRS requests proof later. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your filing.